Hello guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to move Clickup space to another workspace. To start this tutorial, open clickup.com in your internet browser when you open your PC, laptop, or Mac. Make sure you have already logged in as well, so that it would be easier to follow along. Now to start, hover your mouse on the left side and look for everything, and then space. Once you're here, click on the three dots that means space setting. Once the pop-up appears, go to Templates. It has an arrow on it, so just click on Templates. Now, over here, another window will appear, and then you will click on Save as Template. Don't forget to give your name a template, and make sure you remember this name as well. For now, let's just name it Test 1. Once we are here, we are going to scroll down and then turn on Public Sharing. You can also follow the settings on my screen so that you will follow along. Then tap on the button that says Save. It's on the lower right, this one over here. For now, Clickup will be creating your template and will notify us once it's already done. In here, your space template has been created. And then you're going to click on New Space. Then head on over to Templates. It's next to New. And then once you're here, you will see a copy of Test 1 or the saved copy of Test 1. This one is created by me. You can see details as to who made this. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.